Alright, today we're going to make a cat hood video. I want to go over more of the options and talk about all the different things we've done to the hood so far. Alright. So, I'm going to do my best here. So here's our snout. It is magnetic. And this is what the back of it looks like. The magnets are hidden under here. Now on the snout, as far as color options that you can do whenever you go to check out, you can pick a different color for this bridge here. You can pick a different color for the snout right here, the nose tip, and you can pick a different color right here. This is what it looks like without the snout. Mannequin heads are very small. I promise that the hood is not that big. Hood sizes fit from 21 to 23 comfortably. If you fit outside that range, just let me know. It's pretty easy to custom fit. And then it just snaps right back on. So for the hood part of it, and take it off of here. So you can see the magnet here. We also have magnets hidden in the cheek here and right here. Everything is glued together and then edge painted so it's seamless. The inside of the mask part here is a double-sided piece of leather. That way it's easy to clean. Whenever you get makeup on it, use some saddle soap. Takes the makeup right off. Much easier than having to clean if there was suede on the inside. And then we have the ears here. They are sewn in and then flipped over, and it has a harder piece of leather on the inside so it stays nice and pointy. So on the side here, we decided to go with neoprene, so the hood is breathable, and then it has a little layer of leather right here. Now what that does is the leather keeps it tight, but whenever your head goes in there, it poofs out some, and it makes the hood look more rounded. So here we have the adjustment area. I'm going to go ahead and open this guy up. We like to use paracord because it's a pretty tight fit inside the eyelets, and you can get a lot different adjustment. Like if you wanted it tight on the bottom but loose on the top, you just have to tighten the bottom and the top should stay fairly loose. Now on the inside of here we have a spandex material here. It's really soft, really thin, stretches really well. So you can see that goes all the way up to the top there. This is that neoprene. So as a demonstration, to tighten it down, you would just pull on these guys here. And as you can tell, if somebody had a big top head, this still stays loose. So to tighten it all the way down, you got to start from the top. This will always be black neoprene for now until I get more colored neoprenes to match the leather. As far as color options, So we've got the front of the mask here, and then you can pick a different color on the inside of the ear. You can pick a different color for the back of the ear, and you can pick the color of the top of the hood here, this leather. So one more time, I'm going to go over the color options. So you can pick a different color here. This is a different color that you can pick. This is a different place that you can pick a different color. Here, the inside of the ear, the top of the ear, and then the top of the hood. And the side will always be black until we find other colored neoprene. So real quick, I'm going to go ahead and put it on. I don't know how well you can see me, but this is the cat hood. Meow.